You may have encountered flashing warnings that suddenly appear while browsing, which are often fake scare tactics used by scammers to extort money from you. To combat this issue, Microsoft has taken action. In a recent Edge update, they introduced an AI-based scam site detector that alerts users and marks suspicious sites as dangerous if you happen to visit them. Here's the article discussing in detail how it works and how scammers are a major problem in today's internet landscape. To enable this security feature, you need to have the latest version of Edge. To check that, simply go to the About section, and it will automatically update. Now, navigate to the Privacy and Services section, and under the Security tab, enable the Scareware blocker. Additionally, you can enable other security options below and add malware site blocking DNS. We have discussed this in our previous encrypted DNS video. Please check it out for detailed information. So remember, if someone asks you to install certain software to remotely control your PC or requests money via gift cards, then definitely something is not right. Lastly, I want to highlight some channels that are spreading awareness about these types of scams and explaining in detail how they work. Be aware and be safe. Thanks so much for your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in comments what we can improve. Have a good day.
Do not read in! Do not read in!